This tutorial covers the bulk edit feature, a tool designed to efficiently update multiple products simultaneously. It saves time and helps maintain consistency across your inventory. Instead of editing products individually, you apply changes in bulk to a selected group and ensure consistent settings across your inventory. To get started, head to the My Products table and choose the items you want to update. There are several ways to select products. You can manually tick the checkbox next to each product, perfect for quick individual updates. Or use the checkbox at the top of the table to select or deselect all products on the current page in one click. For more control, click the drop-down arrow next to the Page checkbox to reveal 3 options. Select All selects all filtered products, even if there are multiple pages. Select All on Page selects all filtered products on the current page. Clear Selection. This unchecks everything so you can start fresh. After selecting products, the Bulk Edit button appears in the table header. Click it to open the Bulk Edit form. Navigate to the fields you want to update and select the appropriate bulk action from each drop-down menu. Each product setting in the Bulk Edit form comes with action options. In most cases, you'll see 2, No Changes, and Edit. In some cases, a third option, Clear, is also available. Here's how they work. No Changes. The system will skip that field for all selected products. This is the default option. Edit lets you enter a new value, which will be applied to every product you've selected. Clear removes the current value from that field, but only if one was set already. This setup is simple yet powerful. Select the desired action for each field before proceeding. Click Apply to execute the bulk update, and reconfirm your changes before they're applied. Bulk Edit changes overwrite existing values and cannot be undone. Verify your selections and changes before reconfirming them. The Bulk Edit form gives you access to nearly all the same product settings available when editing a single product, but lets you apply changes to many at once. Let's break them down. General Settings. These apply to all offer types. Fee calculation fields like net purchase price, Amazon referral fees, VAT, other fees, and FBA shipment fees are all editable in bulk. Product pricing, including the recommended retail price or former selling price, can be adjusted just as easily. Tags and internal comments, add, remove, or assign them across multiple products in one go. The offer type specific settings, available for both B2C and B2B. Reset the product offer to remove all offer data if a related service is disabled. Update the standalone price, just make sure it's greater than 0. Min and max price settings come with 3 options. Automatic, where the system calculates values based on your desired net profit. Manual, where you enter fixed values directly. And Calculate Now, a powerful option exclusive to Bulk Edit. Calculate Now lets you define a formula using price references like the current price, initial price, recommended retail price, or even the buy box price. For example, to set the min price to 5% below the current price, choose Calculate Now and enter the following parameters. Price type current price. Min price -5. Value type %. Or to set the max price 10% above the initial price. Select Price type initial price, max price 10. Value type %. You can also assign products to a product group. Toggle the optimization status with a strategy template. Or set quantity discounts for B2B offers. Either as a percentage off or fixed unit prices based on quantity thresholds. To review the results of your bulk edit, go to the Import Product Settings page. Look for your operation labeled Bulk Edit. If any errors occur, you'll see a warning icon. right next to the entry. Click the icon to open the Product Bulk Edit Errors form, which shows details such as the error type and the product IDs that failed to update. From there, you can click any product ID to go directly to its settings and correct the issue, even after the bulk process has finished. For more information, visit our knowledge base at support.sellerlogic.com. If you still have questions, feel free to contact our customer success team.